Hello everyone, welcome to SAT Maths. This is chapter number 1, part 8, Rational, Irrational and Decimal. In this we will be covering the practice questions related to it. The concept of this topic we have covered in the previous video. So let's start with the questions. Which of the following shows the numbers arranged in increasing order? Increasing means smaller to greater. So the numbers we are having basically is minus root 3, minus 5, 2 by 3, 4 and root 10. So for this just simplification, root 10 is somewhere around 3.3, right? And minus root 3 is minus 1.73, and this 2 by 3 is basically 0.6, and when we have this minus 5 and 4. So the smallest number in the negative, whatever is the larger, that is the smallest. So minus 5 is the smallest number. So we will be starting with the minus 5. So directly we can say only one of the options shows that we are starting with the minus 5. Then we have minus 1.73, which is this. Then we have 0.6, then we have 3.3 and then we have 4. So by looking at one thing, we can say C is the correct answer, increasing order. Next one, it says which of the following is an irrational number. So irrational number basically means which is cannot be represented in the form of p by q, and decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating, non-repeating. So irrational number is this in which the decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. So minus 1.2, it is a terminating one, so this is a rational. 4 by 3, it can be written in the form of p by q. This is a rational. Minus root 16, so root 16 is what? 4, so it is minus 4, so this is a rational. So the last one, minus of root 10. Root 10 is a non-perfect square, so any number written inside the square root which is a non-perfect square, that will be irrational. So this is irrational over here. Its decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. Next is the simplification, order of operation question. Although now in the SAT you can solve these types of questions by putting them in the calculator, but sometimes doing manually saves a lot of time instead of the calculator. In the calculator you have to put each and everything, and sometimes you can solve it very quickly manually also. So let's solve this first. So this is 11 minus 2. So 0.8 whole square is 0.64. So 2 minus 0.64 plus 24 divided by minus 4. So we can do the division first. 24 divided by minus 4 is minus of 6. And now this is 11 minus 2. 2 minus this is 0.64. So it is 1.36 only. And this is minus 6. 11 minus 2.72 minus 6. So this is 11 minus, these two will get add, minus 2.72 and minus 6. That will become minus 8.72. So 2.28 is going to be this thing. 11 minus 8.72. So how quickly you can do this? 8.72, how much it will take to make 11? So after 9, 9, 10, 11, these are the 3, and 0.72, what is left to make it 9? 0.28 only. So 2.28 is the correct answer for this. Now here it says, in 3 plays, a football team loses 5 yards and then gains 32 yards by completing a pass. Then a penalty was called and the team lost 10 yards. How many yards did the team actually gain? So it is based upon the integers basically. A team loses 5 yards, so minus 5, and then gains 32 yards plus 32. After that a penalty was imposed and they again lost 10 yards, so minus 10. So how much is this finally? 32 minus 5 is 27 minus 10, that is 17. So finally they gain 17. Now here it says, on the number line above, BC is equal to twice of this AB. What is the value of X? So first let's figure out what is this gap, what is this AB. This is minus 1.25 and this is minus 0.4. So from here to here, what is the gap? So simply you can, irrespective of the negative sign, we can simply subtract this thing. So 1.25 and minus 0.40, we can subtract this thing. So it is 0.85 over here. So this gap is of 0.85 and the BC is twice of AB. So twice of AB, so twice of 0.85 will be how much? 1.70. Now this is from here to here, it is 1.70 gap. So what is the value of X? B is at already minus 0.4. So if you go on the right side of minus 0.4 by 1.7, so we'll be doing minus 0.4 plus 1.7. So that will be actually 1.3. So x value over here is 1.3. So I hope you have understood all these questions. So if you have any doubt related to the questions for SET mathematics, you can send me your doubts over this my WhatsApp number or on this mail ID. Thank you for watching this.